This is the cheesiest Southern baked mac and cheese you will ever make. In a large pot, boil your pasta according to package instructions. While the pasta is still warm, toss with butter and set aside. In a large pot, combine milk, onion, thyme, garlic, dry mustard, and 1 bay leaf. Cook on medium-low until the milk starts to steam. Cook the bacon in a skillet until it's crispy. Remove from the skillet and let the bacon drain on a plate lined with paper towels. In the same saucepan, cook the jalapeno and bell peppers until soft. Strain the milk and discard the solid infusers. Add the remaining butter and flour to a large pot. Whisk over medium heat to create a roux. Very slowly whisk in the milk, avoiding any clumps. Cook until thickened. Add in cream cheese, cheddar, and Gouda. Stir until the cheese is melted. Add in salt and white pepper. Add the cooked pasta, peppers, and half the bacon. Stir until thoroughly combined. Transfer the mac and cheese to an oven-proof casserole dish. In a bowl, combine Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. Sprinkle the breadcrumb mixture over the top of the dish and top with the remaining bacon. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. You can find more cheesy dish ideas on our website.